Hello everyone, Piotr speaking. This is our weekly forex analysis. I'll start with Euro USD. Monthly chart, monthly candle. November is over. Okay, so we have a new monthly candle, and this looks like a doji candle. If you keep watching my videos, when we were here at this September candle, I've mentioned that most probably we will have 2 or 3 corrective candles. This is the second one. This candle do not give confidence where the market is heading. Okay, I do not rule out that we will make this right arm, but you can also see that we are still below this support line, and I mentioned when we were here that this was a strong reversal signal and strong engulfing. Okay, so the market is still below that support line. Okay, we are above Bollinger Middle Band. We most probably we will test those upper levels here. I'm pretty sure, because the MACD indicator is still going up, But at the moment, this is a doji. Doji means indecision. Okay, the market do not know what to do. Okay, most probably a little bit to the upside and to the downside, depending on the whole situation. So that is the monthly. Weekly, you've got the third corrective candle. This is not a strong candle. We are above Bollinger Middle Band. We are reacting on this support line. And last week I told you that okay, we had one move. This is a one. This is second move, and most probably there will be third move. Okay, and then we'll have a support line which will be broken. So this is what may happen. And on the daily chart, you can see that I've sent you last Friday, so yesterday, right? No, when was it? On the 28th. So Thursday. It was on Thursday. I'll send you this signal because I'm thinking about having a finished correction A, B, and C in this area. This is in 4 hours chart, and on the daily chart, here we had a 5 wave to the downside. This could be a correction, a typical correction, and now a next strong move to the downside. I'll show you now how to measure it. This green Fibos, it shows you the length of the first move, or the first 5 wave move to the downside. You plot the Fibo levels like that. So the 100 is here, 0 is here, and you move it to the extreme of the wave 2. Okay, I'm not at the moment. Here is the extreme of the wave 2. If it will be here, I will have to adjust it. But at the moment, it's here, and so you have a theoretical move of 500 and even up to 161.8. So this is almost 900 pips to the downside if it's correct. Okay, we had a nice break on the MACD, so it looks like the market may make such a move. Of course, we've got the situation on the monthly, as I've already mentioned, and this is not confirmed here yet. Okay, so should the market react in this area, I've shown it on my Google Plus profile. I've shown you those levels, and you can see the market is reacting to one of those levels, or has reacted to the lower level, like 136.18, and the upper level is around 136.57. Okay, so this is the area where the market can react, and the market has actually already reacted and started falling. Okay, so this position should have already started earning for you. Okay, and based on my comments, you could have added at least one additional position, but this is not necessary. What I wanted to show you is that the market is reacting. At the same time, the market is reacting this pink Fibos levels. This is the measurement of this whole movement, the correction of this measurement of this movement, and this is the correction The second wave correction typically ends between 50 and 61.8. This is very strong levels for the forex market, and you can see that we have reacted in this area. We haven't touched the 61.8 because this would be 136.26, but this is theoretically still possible. Even that level is possible. This FIBO 100, this red FIBO 100, because this measures. This is the length of A. Okay, if you move it down here, you can see that, okay, this is the length of the A, and I move it to the extreme of the B, and now I've got a theoretical level where this move can end. The market can end at 138.2 as well. Yeah, so, but this will be a deeper correction in this case. Good. I'm showing you this support line on the 1 hour chart. Okay, and this support line is broken. And here on the 15-minute, you can see that the late in the evening, yesterday, late in the afternoon, we had a break to the downside. So most probably we are in the fourth correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there will be another move to the downside. Okay, so there are chances that this position, this one signal, can develop nicely. Okay, good. So that's pretty much about Euro USD. Euro Japanese yen, monthly candle, very strong candle, green candle, has reacted to those levels or reacts to those levels. So this is strong 3 candles on the weekly. This is one of my levels. I've told you about that level. I've mentioned about it. Now you can see the level has been reached. Yeah. So we can have some reaction at this level, around this level. Especially the MACD is not making a new high. Only the price has reached a new high, but the MACD indicator is making a lower high, most probably. Okay, so there could be a nice divergence and a trend change, especially when we are in the last 5th wave. Good. Here on the daily, the move was very strong, especially here on the 4 hours chart, and we do not have any strong indication and strong signals yet. Okay, we've got a break on the support line on RSI here on this candle, but we don't have a strong signal. There's a signal on the 1 hour chart, but 1 hour chart is too fast. Yeah, so this is still a growing market because of this candle. This is outside the Bollinger Upper Band already. Yeah, so there could be a nice reversal signal on the weekly chart. Yeah, because of this candle. This is the whole candle is outside the Bollinger Upper Band, and good reversal signal happens at the Bollinger Upper Band. Okay, here you can see how strong it was. Okay, but you need a whole week to complete a pattern on the weekly chart. Okay, so this is the Euro USD, Great Britain pound, Japanese yen, monthly candle, a strong monthly candle which has reached one of those levels I was talking about, and those levels are broken now, and there is a level of 50, this yellow 50, and most probably the market is heading to this moving average 200 and to this level. So this is around 180. This is possible. In the same moment, the market is reaching the upper boundary of this upper channel. Okay, so we may have some reaction here. This is upside gap 3 method. Green candle, gap, green candle, red candle, which closes the gap and closes within the green candle, the previous one. So those 3 candles, this is a continuation pattern on candles. Okay, and that happened. It was completed in February 2013, and since then you can see the market was going up and up and up. Okay, I know it's easy to say it now and to comment on that now. It's not that easy to enter into such a position when you are at this level, but this can help. This can help, especially in the future. Okay, if you start um, noticing such patterns, this can be a support for yourself. Good. This is roughly 200 pips, and the market did 1 to 10, so 2,700 pips at the moment. Okie dokie. Green weekly green candle, strong green candle. Divergence is already in, but we don't have a reversal pattern or reversal signal yet. Okay, this is not done yet, so you have to be careful, but it can happen very soon. It can happen very soon. Okay, as here on the daily, there are some upper boundaries reached as well, so this could be a place to reverse as well, especially the RSI is already in an overbought area, so that could be the market can be already mature to make a reversal. Okay, here you can see that there is a strong reaction to this level, and should this move to the upside, not being able to break that top, so this is sometimes called, based on a different methodology, as a double top. Okay, but based on Elliott, it's truncation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending whether this will be broken or not. If it's not broken, there should be a strong move to the downside because of this situation. The MACD indicator is not growing anymore, so there are theoretical chances to reverse. USD Japanese yen, monthly, very strong green candle. Weekly, also a strong one. There is a butterfly on this market. The MACD is not making a new high. Most probably will make a lower high. The market can make a new high, so we will have a divergence. We will have a divergence on that market, and the answer is here on the daily chart. This is 1 and 2, 1, 2. This is a 3, a bigger 3, as a 5 wave to the upside. There will be a correction, most probably, and there will be a final move to the upside. I have plotted upper channel, and the market is already at the upper boundary of this channel, so the downward move can end somewhere here. This can be broken, slightly broken, and then the market start going up again. Here on the 4 hours chart, there's a support line on the 4 hours chart, so I'm waiting for the break. This is not that one, the perfect support line, because we've got this low as well here. So there will be a slightly different one as well, but I will adjust it a little bit later. Okay, so for now, for the time being, I guess there will be a correction. There should be a correction. There could be a correction. It looks like this movement has been ended, and then we will have a final move to the upside, which what will mean that we will have some reaction, some correction, depending based on this strong move, on the strong candle, and then there will be a final move to the upside. Great Britain pound, USD, monthly, a strong candle which has broken those tops here, is most probably going to the upside. The whole market, especially on the weekly, we have broken those tops here. Those two tops, this is broken, so this is not a second correction wave anymore. This is a new impulse to the upside. There was a fourth wave. The market was in the fourth wave correction, and this is a break to the fifth wave, which is 1, 2, most probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 5, because this will be extended third wave, most probably. Okay, that was this butt pattern, just this butt pattern, and this is the top. The tops has been broken, were broken here. So theoretically, we've got roughly 400 pips to complete this pattern. But should this market make a correction to the FIBO 100, I will send a long signal. I was waiting for that. I was hoping that the market will fall slightly to the FIBO 100, but it happened. It didn't happen. Yeah. So sometimes it is like that. Having a filter of 25 pips would mean that you could have been in a long position. Yeah. But as mentioned, I was a little bit afraid with this weaker MACD, and I didn't want it to be in a long position if the market should break it, but then start and fall into a downside. Okay? But I will try to catch this fall to the downside, and then and then the turn and the reversal and the new move to the upside. What can happen? Yeah. Well, we'll see. Good. The gold on the monthly, there's a red candle, red strong candle. This break, this MACD break, this is a negative. Weekly, the market has reacted to the lower band. This candle is a weak candle. This is green, but this is weak. On the daily, this still looks like can be treated as a C. Okay. Should the market break those lines, there will be a third wave. This will be 1 and 2, and this will be 3 to the upside. But it's not that strong anymore, to be honest. Especially this monthly candle, this monthly chart has this break on the MACD indicator. And if this happens, especially you can compare it with this whole situation on the left side. Yeah, the market was above the zero line all the time long, more than 10 years. So now the break through that line, yeah, this should be considered as a negative one. Okay, good. Thank you for your time. I think it's worth to stay with me. Good luck.